Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back to the channel. So I had to share this with you guys, and first and foremost I want to open it on camera with you guys. So I was getting ready to come into my studio and film today, heard a knock at the door. It was the post office lady, and I'm like, oh gosh, that's a huge box. Like, I don't have any orders coming in a box this big. So if you're curious to see what Amorus PR sent me, then just stay tuned. Alright you guys, so over the course of last week, there was a few days last week where I had been in touch with Amorus PR and been talking to them and things like that. And through the conversations that we were having, she told me that she wanted to send me a package. So I just want to make it very clear that I'm not officially part of their PR or an affiliate or anything yet. But they did send me quite a generous package. I've already opened it because this was sticky. So, but I want to open the contents of this box with you guys on camera, and I'm so excited, but I'm so shocked as well. Like, my shock value face was like, this is so generous. It's quite heavy, so I want to get into it with you guys here. So let's start. If you guys don't know and you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Tasha. Everybody calls me Tash. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button while you're here hanging out with us. And yeah, I'm a huge fan of Amorus. They make amazing cosmetics, lashes, I mean everything for a full face. They have amazing quality products at such affordable prices. And I've been trying to get on their PR list for a very long time. So I'm pulling stuff out now. We're going to start with these two packages here. And these are some of their new lashes. So they sent over a pair of number 13s, which are very, very pretty. We have a pair of number 39, very pretty. We have this one, I'm not sure on the number, I think it's 39, very pretty. And we also have number 24, those are stunning. I think these are my fave. And then the two that are in here are the same as these, so I'm gonna put these in a giveaway for one of you guys. I'm so shocked right now, you guys. Amorus was so generous in sending this. They did not have to send all this, but I'm so thankful. So this is their full sheet mask collection, which if you guys don't know, late last year sometime they launched a sheet mask, and I actually have the full, well, had the full 10 pack, but I've been using them. They're amazing. They're super affordable. It's a lot cheaper if you buy this whole pack. So I want to share with you guys because I don't need all of these. So the ones that I've actually tried, I'm gonna put in the same giveaway with the lashes. And yeah, they're really, really good. I'm not going to open these because I've hauled them before, but I'm just so happy to have them because I love them so much. So they also sent over their new face primer, which is the Perfecting Face Primer. It's oil-free, poreless, skin perfecting, shine control, and it is translucent. So I'm really excited to try that out. They sent over both of their new eye primers. You can either get it in both in clear, which I think one is matte and one is shimmer. Nope, it says matte finish. So, and then you can also get it in clear and nude. So they sent me both of those to try out. And then they also sent me their new 2-in-1 eyeliner. It's a liquid felt tip marker. So excited! This one really shocked me. So this one was a huge shocker, and I think you guys are gonna be shocked too. They sent me, if you don't know, you guys, really quickly, they launched new lip products. So they sent me the entire line of the new matte liquid lipsticks. I know, I'm just like, what? So generous, you guys, so generous. And they also sent me one of my new favorite products, which is their new plumping lipsticks, and they sent me the whole line of those. I'm in shock, you guys. I just, wow. And I'm just so thankful, you guys. I have loved this company since I discovered them a couple of years ago. And like I said, I have been trying to get on the PR list, but I don't think that my numbers match up with what they need right now. So the fact that they reached out and did what they did is just so kind to me. And the lady was so nice. We had a great conversation, and I'm just like, I'm really shocked right now. I actually have butterflies in my tummy, which is why I can't get it together and just film the video. So they also sent over their two-way powder foundation. Now this is not a new product, but it is a product that I've wanted to try out for a very long time. So they sent over Deep Beige. They sent over the shade Chestnut. They sent over the shade Toffee. And then they also sent over Caramel. So I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these so you guys can see it. So really cute packaging. I love their packaging, especially for being so overly affordable, you know, like Amorus don't play, y'all. So here's what the powder looks like. It does come with a mirror on the other side. And then you also get a sponge in here. And when I tell you guys, this is a nice high quality sponge. Like if you're trying to use this as an actual powder foundation, you're gonna get great coverage with a sponge like this. So really, really nice. It's nice and thin, great for travel. And I can't wait to try this out with you guys. Like it's gonna be so much fun. So again, they sent 4 shades. That was super generous. Girl, thank you so much. I don't want to cry because I don't have on waterproof eye product. So so they also sent over a couple of their palettes. And this one I was really excited to get and very grateful again because they didn't have to send me anything. But they sent over the Remember Me palette, which is absolutely gorgeous. I don't have this one yet. So I'm really excited to add this to my collection, and I'm going to show it to you guys. So here's what it looks like. It is a 32 pressed pigment palette, and it does have a mirror like their other pressed pigment palettes, and there you go. Look how gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. Now I believe this one is all mattes. No, it has shimmers in it too. Oh, I can't wait to play with this, you guys. It's so gorgeous. I didn't know that this had, I don't know why. I thought this was all mattes, and that's why I never purchased this one. I'm so excited. You guys know I have a ton of their palettes. So there's Remember Me. Now brace yourselves because they actually sent over their brand new palette as well. And I am just so thankful that they did this because I purchased one, and so that palette will be going to one of you as well. So they did send me the Dazzle Charm palette. Look at that packaging. So beautiful. I'm so excited, and I'm just so grateful that they did this because now I can give away the one that I purchased. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. We will be having a giveaway. Are you guys ready to see their brand new palette? Oh, it's so stunning. You guys, the camera is not even doing this justice. Like, it is just so beautiful. And there are actually glitter shades in here that have stars in them. It's so beautiful. Here you go. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to film with this for you guys. Look at that yellow. Oh, and that pretty blue. Oh my gosh. Stunning. Amorus be killing it, y'all. Now, if you have not seen my new Cosmic Dream palette video, why are you still here watching a haul when you should be watching that? Just kidding. I'll link it up in the eye for you so you guys can go check that out if you would like. Amorus, thank you so much for the overly generous package. You guys are so sweet and so amazing, and these are the kind of companies that I want to associate myself with and continuously promote on my channel. And it has nothing to do with the fact that they sent me product. It's the quality of their products, it's the pricing of their products, and the fact that their PR person took time to chat with me and get to know me and chat with me about my channel and things like that. I mean, to me, it's the little things. Them sending me all of these products and things like that was just a plus. So let's go ahead and swatch some of the glosses. Now, to get free shipping, I did purchase a few more. So I'm not going to swatch those shades and the one that I already have because I'm thinking I might put a few of these in the giveaway and save some for a future giveaway. So I already have, what is it? Rich Wine, which is this one right here. I'm not going to swatch that one. And then I ordered, oh, I don't remember. I'm going to have to check. That's a double. So I ordered Nude Pink, I think, so I'm not going to swatch that one. So these three I'm going to sit to the side. I know off the top one will go in that giveaway with the palette and the lashes, and then I'm going to put some aside for a future giveaway. So I'm going to swatch Vital Glow, Tan Orange, and True Gold. Now these are really, really nice. They have like a nice minty vibe to them where they will plump the lips, but it's not super powering. Think e.l.f. plumping glosses and the plumping lip oils. Oh, that is gorgeous. It has really nice packaging too, you guys. A great wand. These are not sticky at all. They have that thicker, or not thicker, I'm sorry, the flat wand, which is what I like because you literally only have to put one, you know, one dip on your hand or lips. You see how excited I am, you guys? I can barely even talk. So this is a Vital Gold, and I can smell that mint. It's like a peppermint. Oh, it smells so good. And then we're gonna go into Tan Orange, which is the shade right here. You guys, to see all of this stuff, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love that. Me and this are gonna rock it this summer, you guys. And they're not anything super pigmented. They're just a nice wash of color. So this one I actually did 2 swatches so that you could see it better. So here is the Tan Orange. That is gorge. So pretty. Now what I also love about these is like these ones with the sparkles in them, you don't feel them on your lips. Like you don't feel the grittiness. So really, really nice. This next one is called Vital Glow. Ooh, pretty. This looks like one of my Buxom glosses. And you know, you guys, that's actually what these kind of remind me of, is the Buxom glosses in the quality and the plumping and things like that. So if you've ever tried a Buxom lip gloss, the plumping lip polishes, that's what these remind me of. So the very bottom one is this one. It's Vital Glow. So just really pretty, kind of iridescent. I love their glosses. So highly recommend these, and I will link everything down below as I can. I think I'm gonna have to just link their website though, because I think the way that I link stuff using the program that I use to link for affiliate stuff, I don't think that Amorus is in there so that I can link the stuff. Okay guys, so I'm going to swatch all of the matte liquid lips for you so that you guys can see the shades. We have 8 different colors here. So we have Royal Red, Bright Berry, Dusty Rose, Peachy Nude, Nude Brick, Golden Beige, Moody Brown, and Black Cherry. So we're just gonna start off with the first one that I grabbed, which is Black Cherry. And I want to tell you guys too, when you order from Amorus, all of their stuff is packed really, really well in packaging. And then it's packed again with lots of bubble wrap. So they do not skimp at all. All of the palettes come in bubble wrap like this. I have never gotten anything broken from them, damaged, or anything like that. And if you do, just take pictures. They're the kind of company, they're going to replace it. They're absolutely amazing. So this color here, you guys, first of all, they're sealed. The boxes are sealed. And then on the inside, they're also sealed. So love that. Can never have enough protection on your lip products. So, ooh. So it also has the flat wand. Ooh, hold up. So, it looks like these are going to be nice and thin. This is their newer formula of matte lips, so I have not tried these yet. So nice and thin, very, very pigmented. They have a light scent to them, but it's nothing overpowering that's going to be like annoying or anything. They smell very, very nice. So let's go into Royal Red. I feel a full face of Amorus coming on. Ooh, so pretty. Guys, look at that. Ooh, 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 girl. Oh, I cannot wait to rock that. This is Royal Red. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Girl. And like I said, you guys, these feel nice and thin, so it's going to be like wearing nothing on the lips. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm going to go into Moody Brown. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. So here's Moody Brown. This pigment is killer. Amorus, I already said it, but y'all killing it for 2021. Seriously. This is beautiful. Oh, man. All right, guys. So the next shade is Bright Berry. Ooh, girl. I'm gonna rock this too. That is so gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, guys. So what I've done is I'm actually going to keep 4 of the matte liquid lips. These are the shades that I personally would wear and that I like. What I'm going to do, I did open these because I need to see what they look like. However, they are still sealed. There's still that plastic wrap around them. These are the shades I'm going to give away. And I'm still kind of debating on this one. It's really pretty. It's called Dusty Rose. But, so, I'm sorry guys. Here's Dusty Rose. Nice, beautiful pink. Here is Peachy Nude. Still kind of debating on this one. I kind of like that. I just don't know if I'll wear it. And then here is Nude Brick, which is also really pretty. And then we also have Golden Beige, which I definitely cannot wear. It's very beautiful though. I think this would look really good on really deep skin or really pale, like really, really light skin. So I have 4 of the matte liquid lips, and then I have 3 of these that I'm putting to the side. I just don't think I should open those products until I know for sure if I'm going to wear them. We will put the eye primer and stuff to the test in a video, as well as the liquid liner, as long as it's not a really good eye look. But stay tuned. I will be giving away a couple of these. I'm going to be giving away one of these. I'm going to be giving away a couple of these sheet masks and some lashes. Amorus. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so, so much for the generous package and for sharing some of your new and amazing products with me. I cannot tell you guys how much it means to me that you did this. Like, being a smaller influencer there, and I don't even like using that word, but that's what people label us as. So being a smaller YouTuber, it's really hard sometimes. A lot of companies don't want to reach out to you no matter how much you support them and how much of your money that you spend with them. They just don't want to. So the fact that you guys did this, you'll always have a special place in my heart for thinking of me and allowing me to share more of your products with my audience here. And I know that they appreciate being able to see more of your products. Thank you guys. I really, really appreciate you. I cannot wait to continue supporting you guys in the year of 2021 and beyond. And just thank you. Thank you guys so much. I had a lovely time talking with your PR person, and I can't wait to reach out to her again and thank her personally for the package. So I do want to thank you guys, as always, for taking time out of your busy days to come hang out with me. You guys know it means the world to me. I want to know down in the comments below, what from these products do you guys want to try? What are you excited about? Stay tuned for the giveaway info. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you're staying safe out there. I love you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.